since those two-second pause bench singles went very smooth earlier this week, we're going to try for the 295 regular bench press. After this, I don't plan on hitting a single for a while, but this is a milestone for me considering I struggled up and down with the bench, and I think I'm finally figuring out how to train it for myself. A lot of sub-max loads, don't need to go heavy all the time, just beats my joints up if I do, so I think I'm finally figuring things out so that I can get bigger numbers. Let me gurgle some water, and I'll get on these and get some chocolate into it. We get the chop. I'm gonna get to her. There's no way this weight's not going up because I own. Come on. Ugh. $295. Keep going up. Good technique too. Well. This ain't gonna be a grinder. This is gonna be a up. Down it up. Come on. You got it in you. Ah! Don't back it up now. Yes! Stayed with it. Thought I was gonna lose it, guys. But I stayed with it and fought that shit. Whew! True grinding.